Want to record a voiceover? We got you. Want to shoot a podcast episode? We got you. Need someone to edit all of that for you? We got you. So, check us out at abutivoice.com. Alternatively, send an email to info@abutivoice.com.
Loko dyambu ri nge se tsuvuka etintshaveni, ntombi ya vanhu yi phaphamile tikhela muroho. Phela masiku lawa swilo swi cincile. Loyi a twaka ndlala u nghena esin'wini hi yexe. Tikumele buku ya landza nuna leyi tsariweke hi Ntsako Nombelani. Leyi i buku yo nyanyula swinene. Loko wo yi sungula a wu nge yi veki ehansi. Ku kuma vuxokoxoko hi mayelana na ku kuma buku leyi, fonela nambara leyi nge 079 828 0642.
This episode is proudly brought to you by the Juta Cafe. The Juta Cafe, vanhu va nkoka va kumeka laha.
Hey, everyone, Vicky, another week of Shangani Gang. Mashava win, was John win, mara look Vaseketeri. Eka kuma million kumelela hiyo hele.
Must go to the Kata.
Yeah. Se kuya vanhu lava va kolota se va la mali ya vona. Kolota munhu wani. That's what comments are comment. Speaking of comments, subscribe. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Every week, like last week, I got 316
or 60 something. Yeah.
316. 306.
Yeah, I got 306.
What does it tell me? 371.
I know you go the battery 100
Pela last week I got 2 something. Last week I got 2 something. Igonya ku 306. Sweswi 371. Nisho na loko heta ku record leyiwa itava ngenga 400.
Yeah. Selo basibona lo tsala phela ungafika 300 atsika.
Selo
ko kuzamtumbele nyana maviki lama lava kuyikhuphuka nyana
Hawa hi ku chaviseka vanhu.
no 500 endla yini
Le 500. Wow 500.
Xava xingulu byani ni dya ni 1. Hayi vulavula siku na komo yo saka hi ka ni double.
hey recorder
No, Nakula no kona namutlha photographer hina. This episode is proudly sponsored by Bila ICT Solutions. Bila ICT Solutions, they are inspired by innovation. Leswi nga swi vula ku va na ti-computer to xingiwa, ta bokisi, loko mla internet, loko mla na UPS, nkarhi wa load shedding sweswi. Mina nge vuli ku ni ha load shedding. And I said our new studios, Shangani Gang Studios, we are still constructing them. It's not yet finished. Loko se xitava xiheri na munhu ta swo se xiherile.
Yeah.
And se xa tikomba ku se I studio xa mapeya. Na picture mi nge yi voni. Na randa mara mi nge yi voni. Ku ta va ku ri Shangani Gang Street.
se khale ka yisuka
Khale ka wena
impilo
ulela sweswo
anasho
So yeah, illegal studio xa hina lexintshwa. It's quite good looking. Space is cool. Na mashawa la nga tshama kona. Mi nge mu voni, ngumakeli boxa xa ye tshama re.
tshami engele
na mazolo ya fita
Puku lexi n'wana xi le phati xi ku phati.
kaya cause va xiphahla na munhu
So namuntlha hi tshame na DJ yin'wana ya matimba. In'wana na n'wansati wa vumbirhi. N'wansati wa vumbirhi.
Ala veka mic a.
yeah
And last week hi tshame na
lava
va
Vatsonga
Xitsonga.
yeah
A hi tivaneni Matsonga
male UP
a ku ri na n'wansati wo sungula.
and vasati lava ta kula hi tinjamba ne
very iswimbindlimbindli
Hi swona hi botsalo mo va tsala va.
I know it's all it's all
maja matsawu maja matsawu
Matao, veggies.
yes
Yeah.
that's what makes iswimbindlimbindli Topi
Topi. I need a kale.
chungimba mstilo
Sezaba.
Steven kwazo.
semtsika mvimba
No, alotika mula anu swekela like a va ha ri kona so yeah
For sure, ikokwana.
yeah kokwani
Oh, mani kumbe ka mi nghena matilweni ku va ku xokolela vanhu yo ri DJ vo rivala na ku
So the Juta yi pfula hi ti 25 ta May. Mbukweni.
a ni se bukiwa. I'm hoping to get like an email ku nga ri khale mavo yeah a ni se bukiwa
ano kumbexani DJ leyi nga ka hina matimba swona loko phela ta va kha ti vuya laya
But you say follower, so kumbexani mi ta vulavula.
yeah
So
sure
so
bo.
mi ta khuluma na yona. Kumbe va ta mi fonela kumbe loko heta ku mi ta twa foni yi ringa.
yeah
Tshame na DJ Z the DJ. Kambe ka Instagram is Zeededj DJ _
Yeah.
vanhu va na underscore to hlaya underscore
underscore.
right
Eh.
Zeededj _
a hi dash yaliya
I dash
Yeah,
loko
It's
loko hambana
underscore
na underscore na dash
yeah, underscore wow so yeah underscore
Yeah,
so
underscore.
it's Zeededj underscore
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, no scar. And then Zeededj DJ, vanhu va mi tiva hi Zeededj DJ, mi nga hlamusela kahle Zeededj DJ mi tswariwe kwini, vito ra n'wina ra mampela.
Mampela.
Va ri ra ka government.
ra le
Ra ka
pasini
government.
mina hi mina Zanele Rikhotso
Makula Konzo.
yes Barola yeah
Okay.
mi nga vileli chef so ni kulele ka Mageva partly ne the first 4 grades
hala ka mageva ku na vanhu
ava vula mina yes ava vula mina vele so the first 4 grades ani nghena a Chalrangani ne kona kwala ka Mageva and then I later moved na tshama na mana mina Halien
Okay.
at Jozi, so the south of Johannesburg.
Okay.
So from 2011, I think, and then going forward, I've been the side.
Oh, so
Yeah.
kahle kahle n'wina mi Mtsonga wa Orosi.
Swi vula leswaku-
No, bola ya munhu wo mixa.
a ma hanyanganyi ngopfu kahle kahle mi dilutiwini
mina Mutsonga guys.
Ne?
so
Mm,
swi
a ni
vula
na
ku episode leyiwani hi ta vulavula hi Xitsonga or Xitsonga xi hi dziza ya hela kahle kahle
I nge fikeleli le ka Xitsonga xidzi because
swo onha hikwalaho ka because
ya ne
okay.
And then yeah, awa vula ku lele.
Oh yeah, and then I later moved Nitatamale. Should I mention Kurengene Kushkolo?
Ale. Yeah, va swi tiva vanhu.
So Miena Ngena Danetheron. It's an African school.
A war school.
Yes.
Lara
Law school. Yes. And then Ngena.
yini DJ xixibuni
Wow guys, so I don't know.
vatswari va hete mali ya school fees
Like I don't know.
mara wa swi kota ku prata vele ne bikinyana okay
Africans.
Yeah. Yeah, something like
Na
that.
mina xi na buchara ka ni xi tiva.
Ne? Hinkwenu no xibuchara mara.
Mara we yi kona problem.
So no, but
na hina
as nga fani because va ku dyondzisa Afrikaans in English. Yeah.
swi swa fana na ku hala kun'wana
Swa fana.
Mara na hina n'wana dyondzo English Xichangana.
hambi
And then
maths
must kota ku vulavula
That's
English.
swa fana
Vulavula English.
Hey guys, English na Afrikaans is fine.
Mara English ya hlupha.
yi na viti
Oh, Club Afrikaans?
Ni vula Africans ya hlupha.
Yes, Afrikaans are true.
afrikaans a yi hlupha ngopfu ma swi tiva ku Xitsonga xo tala xi lombe ngopfu afrikaans
ya swinene
swinene so
3/4
tlanga kwa swo hlupha
Talking
Yeah.
loko vya kwalani ne.
Yepe.
I remember in grade 5, my njwani no makaya, and then I come the side. Akaya phela kudontiwa Xitsonga, mabo, as your home language. So I come the side, my home language is English, and then first additional
First,
language,
yeah.
yes, Kore Afrikaans, and my Jew and Tibinchum. So my dad speaks Afrikaans like fluently. So baku ungawari like Afrikaans ayo hlupha ngopfu because yina bu tsonga xikari. So I had an exam and I like fan codes ala essay. And
Afrikaans.
yes. So because my dad told me Kori Africans I flew pifano is song. Not all song. Honestly, because I remember I searched the other time Kori. No, honestly, like I searched the other time, sorry, Kori tafula iyini Africans and it's tafel. I'm like, most fana. So I know chincha kwalana. Yeah. I failed.
Asobhoko.
I failed.
Loko no tsalela digebed wena. Afa heti
Ne.
ni xikongelo xa hosi sweswo.
But it wasn't easy.
Aka u byela timhaka ta ku wena man u nga va u pasi ntanga khulu
Yes, in
loko
passing.
so u byela ku feli Afrikaans se ha chuhanya
No. That was in grade 5. So ni passe matric in 2017.
2017.
Yeah.
Okay.
Lekundeka calculation nazi.
Kori na malembe mangani.
ya ile ku university
Yeah.
Mina research ya mina ile ku
yeah
progress.
Okay. Yeah, so in 2017, then later 2018 in year at Rosebank to study for IT. So I did IT.
So kahle beside IT, beside DJ.
Kuna
For career.
yes.
Wo heka tifoni ta vanhu.
photosela ti-computer leto xingiwa
Tona teto shingiyo.
Okay.
phela swi nga endla leyo xingiwa u nga swi koti ku yi photosela kutaliya yin'wana yo paka liya
Hinkwato. So yeah, I did my IT in management and then I completed in 2020. Mara korna COVID, so I couldn't graduate.
Abamtela special graduate
Nothing at all.
okay
So lo joinang le ya online because ngibona bangwana ba busy online.
Yeah.
Ba ti
Rosebank.
graduate. No, it was
No,
a hype.
aba endla the thing yaku uya axikolweni ya kuma the belt.
Yeah.
Hinkwaswo kahle and then uya endla photo shoot.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I didn't do that.
so u graduate ximanguva lawa we
I have the certificate.
a ni ximanguva lawa hi leswa swa ku sweswi u nga swi vula u ya mbala gaweni u teka swinepo ri wexe
Is it post COVID?
yeah hi post covid
Huh?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
So na swe.
Yes, yeah, sweswo.
Minga swi
So-
vuli Afrikaans, a swi vuli Afrikaans.
Excuse me, no. So yeah, so that happened and still taman balagaweni like at all. And yeah, I think that's like yeah.
So
that's it.
ai valale timhaka ta career ya wena. Ani swi tiku career that's why na ku swi hambanyisa sweswi. Bu DJ. Timhaka ta DJ u sungule ku ti landzelela rini. A ku ri timhaka leti a wu ena tona ku sukise a war school or
No.
a lara school.
No, I
kumbe
actually
tsuka ka mageve
Kumbe tsuka ka mageve.
no, I suki kamageva. So I have a year neri DJ.
Okay.
I remember like all the time like I don't know. Maybe it was because of the way nito come or the way Ranza could groove is just an understand.
Oh,
So
no. O groove.
okay, I dance. Yeah, I dance.
so u DJ
Eh?
tlhela u va xicini
Ish na I hlekatafula no. But in a vibe like you
Vibe,
never
ne?
yeah, we get go
hi
borikin.
xitsonga xidzi hi ku xilombe
Yeah, nto hlavula ku ntako yini mara yeah, ani like Xitsonga xa bayizisa xa especially the deep one leya ya xilombe xidzi.
so loko wo kuma jaha ro vulavula xitsonga xidzi
Profana. Okay.
ro fana na leyi ri nga tshama lahaya ri fika ri tisa
Pansela hi.
xiviko xo karhi u ta swi huma njhani
O fika vulavula hi Xitsonga.
u kuma ku jaha leri wa tifela hi rona ri vulavula xitsonga xixiya u ta swi endlisa ku yini
Kombe question yi ku una jaha.
Yes.
Tikwatengola ti nga kona.
Okay, yeah, ukona.
Abang nyiki mata pano.
Ukona.
u tshama u xi yingisela xitsonga xo vulavuriwa hi botihipi lava va misava
Yes. Yeah.
So loko
Leswi
ta
a
mu-
ni swi twisisa leswi.
Oh,
Yeah,
loko-
leswi a ni swi twisisa.
Okay, and then our vala timhaka ta DJ.
Yeah, so mina, so these people laban hlangana bona most of the time ne abahamba banitshela ukuthi no, you would make a very good DJ because you have the vibe. Mabo? Mind you, I didn't know ko press njani play and stuff like that. So what I did, I went on YouTube ne ni lang tati video stuff like that, and I made friends in this industry. Yeah. Lady Shakes, you know Lady Shakes, right? Yes. So yena nganifuna ngopfu ka ku like to kickstart. Yes, exactly. Yeah. Yeah.
loko vula so kuna DJ n'wana to ka ni nga yi voni le or mo loko na munhu un'wanyani hi nga byela ku i DJ loko u tlanga next ku hela ra Dr. Thomas Chauke next ku nghena ra Dr. Joe Shirimani
Mina anizange nifika kwalani. Anizange nifika kwalani, but I remember loko na sungula my very first gig I rekaya ka Makero. Ne? So I know Plagiwe Gagash because he was the one hosting. So you know loko tlanga the CDJs, right? Mina niena tlanga laptop because I know sungula. Yeah.
Now what next?
No. That's how I unfika nkwalani.
tirhisa software yo karhi
Yeah, virtual DJs. Yes. So ani tirhisa yona, at least ani tlanga ku tihanci ne. Man tlanga swona ko ka tirhisa laptop. So yeah. But going forward, yeah, tihanci ati ve kona sha.
Mara I think swa more simpler visual DJ.
Yeah.
Virtual DJ va very simple.
It's simple because udonda yona, you find a controller. Yeah, like you press a play and then you press a sync, halana niwa shaku mixela sana and then you're done. Yeah.
BPM
Yona ke yaku endlela ko BPM lenale. How do you know this? Okay.
wena u tela nguvutisiwa
No, because as talangi ko ri hlangana munhu and then ativa hi BPM when it comes to DJing. Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, so it's like that. Unlike this.
aku se tshama ku va na siku na rin'we la i nga fika i roba vanhu i tlanga ti next
No. Ansetama.
Sweswi ka nkarhi lowu hi ku ntwe ku minkarhi liya ize yi nga ti tlanga
No. Ansetama. Ntlanga next na. The only time maybe ntlanga ku next loko ntlanga xikaza. Because sometimes na freelance. Ayo swa tika ku mixa xikaza.
Phela BPM ya kona.
Like the one that mixeka.
Tala u concentrate too much.
The one that mixeka, the one that mixeka. So we yimela ngoma yela and then exactly like the moment yela press play fast.
So meaning kuri DJ hinkwaso or what kind of a DJ are you?
Na tikota hinkwato ne.
Hinkwato.
Except R&B and your Afro.
My friend just called me yesterday. Aku sweswi yena a DJ ya R&B. Yeah, no, nakuvita na siku rin'wana ku atanta next week.
yeah
Atakota ku tlangela R&B. DJ teams.
Oh,
No.
who's that?
Nombolo. Vamos per. Va nombolo, va ringetela. Va ringetela.
Atakota ku advertise yona DJ ya R&B. So nge vuli
Oh.
ku tala xikata ku nga xi expose.
yeah
Mara lo xi advertise.
yeah no
Ima
advertise
DJ Maeli. Xi nyika rin'wanyana.
Se DJ Maeli.
was talk una competition
Angwe.
Well, there's always competition in this industry.
so hi byele la Zanele i munhu wa vibe ya njhani loko hi ku u bukuwile u tlanga music wa njhani or hi wihi lowu wena u twaku u enjoy u tlangela ngopfu wena or u tlangela vanhu
Okay, so ntlanga Afrotech, ne?
okay
So Afrotech Afro House. Like the Gamatabo Black Motion, you know, that. Sorry. So sometimes, ne, it depends on the mood. Sometimes I play for myself.
oh okay
or ka playlist loko ni endla playlist na swi tiva ku ri the first song i ya mina.
a wu se tshama u xo hi mabodhlela loko kha u ti tlangela
No, a se tshama.
tele ngopfu ku DJ
A
yi
ndzi
humesiwa
se
stagini
Na a se tshama.
That's about boom.
Ooh, never.
na
a ndzi se tshama.
Xitsonga lera veri wena DJ se yi tlanga thaka a swi se tshama swi ku humelelela
No, a ndzi se tshama sham. A ndzi se tshama.
a swi tshama swi ku humelela kuma kha u tlanga ku na din'wana loko u langutise swona
swi nge endleki na vibe na yo
ku ti famba na wena hi matini
So humelerile actually. I think it was last year. A ni ri na gig kaya ya a hi tivaneni. Ne? So there was this guy like mina na languta loko ni kha ni tlanga ku ri crowd yi ya responda na yes. So this guy comes all the way Africa ayima so barricading ne. So I'm there playing and he's looking. So na jika languta ko kanti what's happening? And then he's like when you're done I mean you can yeah.
Oh, it
Yeah. No, ubule straight. So I was reading the lips. Kuloko uheta, come here.
and your response
Because
uchiwa kumbe xana hi
I wanted to understand because what's happening.
kumbe yena mgayi lowu una mgayi
No, I am.
ku nga va response ya ku ye hi mhaka ya ku zila the same way he was ziling on you.
No. I wasn't there, but like he's a cool guy. I won't lie, ne? And I just wanted to understand because I'm like that with everyone. If you want to talk to me, you can talk to me.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm like that.
bas join street
na ministry
no mina ni swi tekela nhlokweni swilo hinkwaswo no like se loko u vulavula jaha tana
So,
I'm busy na rixaka ra wena
so
Usho. Oh, God.
a ri na juice xikhwameni mina
rati juice
zanele hi byelela hi mintlhontlho leyi u hlanganaka na yona aka career ya wena ya ku va u tsakisa vanhu hi music na ku tsakisa vanhu hikuva kha u dancer tanihi loko u ri n'wansati
Said ku tlhomeliwa mahlo vanhu va ku tana halelo.
yeah when we are done come here
So that the difficulties, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
War school, right?
ena mini
Loko ku tlhontlha vata ala hleka
ni vona matihlo ni vheta ntsundzuka xisalo
ai lombiwanga Afrikaans leyi tlhontlha ai kona ka Afrikaans. The Afrikaans difficulties in
Oh, guys, I
a
don't
nge vuyi
know.
a nge vuyi mata
I don't know.
a nge vuyi
ne? No.
But I don't know.
Ni tlhontlho leyi hlanganaka na yona minkarhi yo tala yi kumeka ku ri yini as
So
musa ntsako wa vutsini.
So like this industry, ne? Okay, one thing about this industry, you toxic, ne? Very toxic.
I think every like the whole entertainment industry is
It's very toxic, ne? Yeah, but this one, I feel like this one is worse because kuna people that, especially guys, ne? I won't talk about girls because I mean, in competition, yale. Guys, they take advantage. No? So I could get a guy saying, yo, I like the way you play. Can I have your numbers? Ntako plaga, so and so. Or I know so and so. So sometimes, they take advantage. I feel like those are the challenges that I mostly like, yes. What else? Yeah, it's that. People taking advantage.
so hi lero loko swi fika kwalano majita ka vona a xandla fambile
yeah
xandla famba
Yeah, shandla famba shandla kuye, yes. So if I plug you ka gig ya so bengokujeli same time, right? So after the gig takujela kuri did you expect goshi tanjenje silver platter? Then you must pay. So she I went kuri uyihendla njani from there. If you want to do it, then whatever. But
so in your case because this thing I think it's very serious to an extent who wants to be maybe like you or in your career.
Yeah.
how do you handle such? Because since this guy wants that, let me give him that. Whereas another option, guy, I can't give you that. Let me rather pay you in cash or in what imali ya soya banga nkulu. Yeah,
Bangankulu or banginkulu. La se yamanyisa kwala hakela imali banginkulu kumbe banginkulu.
So how do you handle such and
Okay,
outcomes?
I don't mind people plugging me the gigs, ne?
Yeah.
So if you were to come to me, there's a place la maybe ungatlanga kukona and they'll give you this much, ne? And then you tell me this is what you want in return, then it's a total no, I won't take it.
Yeah.
I'm like that. But if you don't tell me after, it's like, okay, why are you fan go and so? So I literally fight it. Master says, yes, I fight that. Go, don't take advantage because I'm a girl. No, you shouldn't do that. It's low. Like it's very low.
So ungatsundisa njani van'wanyana vaxisati tanihileswi laxava va nga sungula laya ku ri u nga va tsundzuxa njhani lava va lava ku nghenela ka industry va ri vanhu va xisati or lava nga ka industry vanhu va xisati lava nga ku abuse-weni hi ndlela leyi wena u nga ku yi blockade.
They must stand firm. They must be firm about everything. Yes, because I'm a sweet girl. I won't lie, ne? Ni very sweet. Loko blah blah no, so nuko smile you might think I want you. Ne?
Sabo.
But it's me being friendly. Sometimes often go also sabo friendly no to make a side and do business. Ne? You must be firm. If you're not happy with what they're doing, go, I'm not happy.
So as kote ku loko munhu aku nta plaka so kanjani over to vutisa ku ri ya tirhisa ku yini as kote ku sweswo.
Yeah, because I think that's where you get.
Oh yeah, ne. Answer tamani ni vutisa because you plugging me where ungo there's this place, right? And then I don't talk to you from there. I know I talk to whoever. So when you were just plugging me, do I pay you if I get like proper cash? It's like thank you. You
Proper
really
cash. Another ngena ka yona mali ya mali. Or kati monetary value on your. So it's a career, it's a career. Are you guys making money, or is it a hype out there in the Instagrams? Because whatever logo industry as grown-ups, we put it out there in our Twitters, the
Facebook,
those things. It goes back to the young ones,
Yes.
and then they idolize it, and then they want to become that, and then they will do anything to wear that goshi, or to wear that whatever. Because that's one man, Zeededj DJ, and then Zeededj DJ, she creates the vibe, talking about this is it. So in that industry, someone wants to get into the industry. Advice, monetary wise and stuff like that. Yes.
Good. Make enough money.
What was your first pay?
Okay, cool. My first pay, it was
how much was it?
800.
Oh, bad.
It was 800. The very first gig that I had, I could get transport, of which in Lekamakep.
Yeah.
So no transport needed.
So,
Yeah. Once no, actually I could get transport, but maluma mi never neleketile. Yeah.
So look, if you have a question,
Yeah, mali ne. Oh, she ay ko bukwe queen ne. Kuna Gaza. Kuna tigigi tali. Ne? Ne? So no, loko no swi vula hi ndlela leyi ni vula I'm not mostly ka Xitsonga ntsena. I get booked. Okay, I was once booked at Cubana. You know?
So wena u DJ ya matimba swinene most loko
Hey, hey, I believe ni DJ ya matimba.
Mina ta vona ko DJ ku next.
Next
At the
week.
June.
Yeah.
Also ku look marketelweni.
Yes. Yeah, na
Mara
tlanga
loko
the
u nga
Juta.
hlamulanga xivutiso lexiya xa ku ka hanyiwa na hi mali ya DJ a hi ku yisa
I
DJ.
doubt ku ri ka hanyiwa hi mali ya DJ. Because this week in Tabukiwa, maybe charge at 3.5. Ne? And next week you're not booked to hakela hi rent. Yeah, so you, like aku hanyiwa sha.
So in ndlela yin'wana
It's pocket money. For me, it's pocket money.
pocket money.
Yeah.
So ka vana lava taka ku va xisati loko va navela ku va ti DJ a va exikolweni.
Yes, school first. Yeah, school first. This is a side hustle. Look, funny, I'm like, this is gonna be a hobby. So it turned to be a hobby that is paying. Yeah.
Kahle ni vona u fake na makeup ya mavunguvungu i mali ya vu DJ.
Your pocket
Man,
Yeah, imali ya
kumbe
DJ.
ya siva ra matihlo ya siva roho ya siva roho
yala ke lo reka mati so
Ay, bona ba lava matihlo.
lo reka mati lava mati oh sivara ho
Loko swi twisise. Loko swi twisise lava va matihlo lava sha i vulavule siku leri a swi helela kwaleni. Yeah, abo vula ku I khale ni kha ni ku landzelela. You know? Like I've been following you.
bam some guy la nga ta kusuhana na wena close
Ah.
to the stage.
Angoshela.
akuri fan
Aku ri fan. O vula ku I've been following you ka Instagram and finally now like we get to meet. Yeah. And I remember that night and fan keni suka ka that gig na Kaiwan. I don't have a car, right? And then
So im guy xinga ku transport.
yes.
timhaka
That guy transported me.
ai mahle na na mati kulumba la ta ku nyika break loko haye hosi va ku dziki
Ava kero man'wana.
Ava kelu man'wana.
Matsamatela.
Zanele as a munhu wa xisati. U tikomba wa ha ri munhu lontsongo hi ku ya hi ku u pase matric rini. Loko ku ri wa tshama na vatswari. How do you then balance your DJing? Kuma ku buke Cubana, u tlanga hi 2 navusiku. Vatswari ve ri yini mhaka yeleyo?
Oh, yeah.
Maybe sometimes as a DJ u fane u va na mambalelo mo karhi.
Yes.
Maku awu attract vanhu hi music ntsena. Ku fana na mutlomba le hembe lawani. Was twisanyana
Yeah,
mhaka
no,
le
yeah.
gigini sweswo.
Yeah, that's cool. Living with my parents, ne? They understanding but not understanding. I wouldn't say my mom is strict. Was
talk about I watch this.
I know. Today, look on Famba, I'm like, Naka podcast. She's like, don't mention me. Don't mention me. Like, Loko Skota Yoka ona Vatswari. I'm like, why?
swi
Like,
nga
no.
huti wena va tonga mexi
I saw. It's me trying to protect the intimate relationship we have nabo. So yeah, my mom is not strict. She's very understanding. Mo ka ba nga lavi munhu wo ka a nga koti ku communicate because that's what I struggle with. Like I nga swi koti ku communicate nabo. So I tell her ku ri, I have a gig tonight. Ba go okay. So I nubulu ku ri u ta vuya or u ta tlela kwini. And I always have like places to go after my gig. Yeah, so balaba sweswo ku kota ku communicate if u tlanga hi 9 then say it.
ku na mhaka
Kuna
Oh, got places to go.
expuku wa yi vona mhaka kahle
No.
So
ndhawu leti u tshama u ri na tona.
so hizi
Pre-arranged or njhani?
mhaka leya places to go a hi yona yi kwatsaka leti.
swa endleka nkarhi wun'wanyana
Okay, you were kwatisa because
ungabafakela ukuthi hayi hayi
No. I Sean. I believe Balaba, it's fine, I can go anywhere, right? It's after my gig.
Yeah.
Ne? And ba phone like two. Yana usiku nkonkombe memfulela gate. It's wrong na so. Balaba no the next morning. Or communicate ngebuyi.
So wena loko uba na gig uba ukume visa automatically the next morning.
Abuya the next morning.
No, I can. No, I saw, but I can come back the next morning. But they says, or I can come back in Monday if I'm not busy. Don't I?
I balance it.
Only if you communicate. Communication.
Okay.
Yeah, because look on communicate, but stress, what's happening? There's a lot happening out here.
Ani miselo mita anyikwa jeke ya mat.
Bani mranda ngofu ne yosuyo kumase ka machine yostwini amngala kumla machine yo ka mranda snele ni baso sona zanele mranda
So much.
Zanele ule marandzweni. Ela ku balance question leyi na misana anga kumweni ka mati
No,
jeke.
it's okay. My mom knows. She knows.
Ebula luya anga kumweni ka mati seswo.
Okay.
langele kumneni ka mati jeke
Wait, let me tell Luisa. Question. Aye.
Ngile to anta ku mani va switiva already ku u fane u vuya nampundzu. So these many places tikatsa ya yena or it random places.
No, it's not random places.
Mara yena u ri yini hi ntirho wa wena?
mati
U nwa ngopfu mati.
Kasi hi sweswo.
samati
I believe what's twisted me.
jojo tay
Drone say.
Me wrong.
okay I really
akonisa matari aswapo
Cause like okay fine. I believe what's twisted cause when you use a gig, ne? Sometimes it go baby tough can look drop and then I'll come back fetch you later. Ne? And then look if you la. Eh?
Uba ye queen.
So
Mara wakuma lakabu ya kikine chunda kap shak mega shone. Loka shata church kwa amandla.
no, actually it's the other way around. Uba khala kufamba, ne? Loko efika kunam stay. It's always like
Abona
that.
competition ku yi rough.
I doubt it's what it's
Ngabona bottle yen.
ndamsezo
So Zanele u yi diluta so hleka nyana. Kuna vanhu vo tala va nga ka industry ya wena. Swi nga endla ka u tirhisa swidzidziharisi ku nga nyumi kumbe xana u titwa u ri amoyeni or njhani.
mapapeni
Yeah. Mshana udzaha sinya wa tshava.
Kombo dzidzalini wena we.
One thing about me. Okay, maybe I'm twisted, ne? Sometimes ni shy.
Okay.
Sometimes I'm not.
Okay.
Look, I was very shy.
No, me
I
no.
was. Even when I met you, like I was very shy. And then sometimes, like, situation ya pfumela ku ni ba sharp. Then niba sharp. So now I know loko ya groovy, it's people. Those people are hyped up. And then like you can't be there. Ufika ubadal. So already na energy myself. I don't need to drink or smoke or whatever.
U nga ku yini ka vanhu lava va lava ku nghena ka industry leyiwani na swidzidziharisi? What is your advice?
Firstly, drugs are
We're
bad.
not saying you are smoking drugs.
Yeah, sure. I
We're
understand.
talking about this thing because industry leyiwani ifana na vanhu va ku tlanga bolo.
Yeah.
Van'wana va dzaha swidzidziharisi va nga nyumi. So wena tanihi munhu wa xisati.
No, honestly, I feel like people should be themselves, ne? like ubana wena. Firstly, drugs are bad. Let's not forget
loko
that.
n'wansati swo vhe swi ku endla
Yeah.
sister Bernard straight
Exactly.
Brother Bernard.
Yeah,
Yes, it's very bad because let's say una gig tonight, ne? And then you wanna smoke drugs.
Yeah.
What if you have gigs next week and then you'll be smoking and drinking each and every
yeah
weekend?
it's bad
So you can't rely on the drugs for energy. No, you can't.
because ka industry ne we've had the artist tin'wanyani they've spoken we know one artist lo huma ku kwala ka Tsakaninga she died because of this and many other ones even recently they will tell you Gori no my manager gave it to me because they've seen Gori I'm not okay they told me utaba right after sniffing this and then when you sniff it you go out there and then you become the best of the best and then from there one say because they've seen Gori these things can do this we've had van'wani va lumbete no volans nga nga vuli xivongo xa yena and it happens ava kona lava hlangana na vona ku ri va ku offer those things or maybe influence you into doing those things
No. Anse tshama ni hlangana na vona.
vheta va fambela kule
Yeah.
a swi simple ku a hi byela leswaku va koho hlangana na vona va yisa lava va na moya wun'wana wo karhi swa
No, honestly, like
nkingha yaleyo ku mi ta n'wi humesa gaming mara yena a swi ta va kahle ku a vula ka vana van'wana ku ri mi nga swi
Tshileleli.
no, but honestly speaking, ne, anse tshama ni hlangana na vanhu va ku tani where they offer me such.
Ne.
Yeah, even vanhu lava ni tirhaka closely with ava se tshama. They don't even think of it. Yeah, I bet.
na twisisa loko vula swi endleka a nga nghenisanga hi ndlala nga ku munhu a va good mara a va na ndlala va ta n'wi endla xin'wana xin'wana
Oh, yeah, that's where they take advantage.
Usayidi ra vubila ICT i vanhu va IT so a nga nghenisanga hi ndlala ne u rhanga ya xikolweni I'm sure a na hala ta ku vutisa yo yaleyo una 9 to 5 kumbe u le ku lavana na 9 to 5
Yeah, I'm working.
una yo okay
how do you balance the two vel
Work is Monday to Friday, and then
you take gigs
from Friday
from Friday to Sunday, it's my other work.
computer leyo xingiwa from 4
Yeah.
se a gig
Yes.
okay
zanele entertainment yi throughout ya hava holiday tolo kun'wanyani to ka nga ku vuli vita ku ri na xigaza Friday
Yes.
kun'wana ku na xigaza Monday kun'wana ku na xigaza Thursday so loko wo tshuka u rhambiwile hi wa mune
nga digital opening
ya
not the juta open
u swi balansa njhani ku u kota ku pfuka u ri na energy ya ku ya emasin'wini
If it's like that, ne, mind you, loko u va DJ, kuna the time slot, ne? Oh yeah, kuna the time slot. So if ntlanga hi 9, I'll be there before 9, ne? Obviously after work, right? And then it's usually an hour. After an hour, because I'm going to work the next morning, then I have to go home. So I rest and it's okay. But if in at 12, after an hour, I go home. Though it's very tiring, like, sha exhauster. The next morning, you just have to work it
timhaka leti u nga
off.
ti vula ku sunguleni ku ri mhana vana mhaka na nchumu as long as u vuya nampundzu a wu ti endli loko kha u ya masin'wini
No, they ke bakwata ku ba shouta ke ku you can't do such.
yeah
You can't do such. Like mina, when it comes to school work or whatever, you must focus. And then when it comes to because at first it was like, what DJ? Good DJ njani? Why? You know? And then so mina I bet you know when I fun.
una sesi
Yeah, I have a sister. Guys. Yeah.
nambole mahlweni ma dlaya xa tolo loko vona nga kota yi tenga yi heta
So yes, I bet so mi no vulavula na vo ku ri va kota ku twisisa ku hina vanhu hi nge fani hi rhandza swilo swa different. What if she was destined for this, you know? A lot of what ifs. And then va dlina va va sharp, yeah.
And then speaking of abalala Ritorumwan manager. Yeah. Una manager or what manager on
Right now, I haven't signed anything as yet, but I think maybe in Fankenus Yibola. Right now, I'm under Kalanga Productions. Name? I don't know if you've heard of it.
Kalanga. It sounds familiar.
Yeah. Yes. So I'm under Kalanga Productions, and I have 2 managers. I always brag about it. Yeah. So female and male. Yeah. So I had a gig at Marula Festival.
So you're a big nyana, Muswen.
I am.
So why can't
No. I
am. Festival.
No, you must know this is a big platform.
Yeah. For me to come here, it means I'm big. Exactly.
So why would you downplay?
I'm not. No. Sometimes. Yeah, I was about to say that sometimes you don't even have to talk much. Like you don't have to say a lot. Let me see. Ekas what? Ekas something, Jay. Ekas fraud. Yes. Yeah.
So Zanele, utibona uri kuya ka malembe mambirhi manharhu mantlhanu lama taka. Kuna vanhu va ku tala va ku fika va tlanga unu komba hi DJ Mfundisi. Usungule ka Nkovani, va tlanga a vulavula. Swiswani una ti-album ta ku tala. Utibona uri ka line ya ku humesa album or wo lava ku va u hi tsakisa ntsena ku tlanga music ya van'wana kha u mixa.
No, actually, right now I'm working on my EP. Oh, okay. Yeah, Afrotech. Yeah, so now I'll be ready to dance.
Yeah.
Sure. Okay, sure. But let me talk to my people first.
Yeah, talk to 2 managers.
Yeah, my 2 managers. Yeah. So I'm working on that and hoping to go overseas. Cause mina generally in Gakayona. Even though my piano ya tlangiwa, but they wouldn't take a local DJ because I'm still a local DJ. But this is Ani Major League, Ani Uncle Waffles, because she's known. You know? Yeah. Laba batlanga my piano, but me, I'm still young in this industry. Mara, I could get an opportunity to play that side because of because of the music that I play.
Afrotech life and jazz.
Yeah.
It's music.
No.
So yeah, I think we have covered most of the stuff. Masham,
Bafana ba hete Jojo Tangle ya.
No.
Wangena kereke Zanele?
Yeah, again.
So leswi va swi tele Zanele swi endlaku kereke, vutlambi, vu DJ, vu IT, ku va n'wana andlwini u swi balansa njhani kahle swilo leswiwani hi byeli la.
A tlhava muhlekisani wa un'wana.
Sweswiwani u fika u tlangela vanhu music va dakwa va wumbuluka live u pfuka ya kerekeni.
Then Sunday ya kerekeni. I can do that, but I think the last time I went to church was last year. This year I'm saying.
Maramina, I can give you an advice. Let me tell you.
If no, nangena.
If you look where you go, you find out Saxawan who will win orange. Don't worry about it. Na yeso
Mashawa mwana wa vanhu tatsonisa mwana wa vanhu tilo.
In the next 5 years, I want to
Yeah.
busy. ala u tlhela mucato se mi nghenelela
wasibona ku you've got an admirer somewhere.
Yeah, I see that.
A va hambananga na lava va nge te
Yes, Magaya EP, and then marriage, not now.
some guy anga
No, guys.
ata pfumeleli ata icata isale u lo ka vona
Yingiselani. Mina anila kuchata na rungtsongo.
Yeah.
Because I believe I'm still young. No? Anila kuchata na rungtsongo. Yes, I'm not saying we having difficulties in our relationship. We okay, trust me. We okay. We could get married tomorrow. So
anga swi koti no vula ku help wa famba mbohi wa mhani
no, we okay, Shab. We could get married. But I just feel like I'm not ready. And maybe answer me to figure ku fika ka extent ya ku now I'm ready to get married. Because I believe loko seneri married, I have to cut down a lot of things. Mabo, I have to loko nirna gig, I have to go there, play and go. You don't party as often. Yeah, you know. Yeah.
networking
I wasn't inspired by anyone. For real. I wasn't. Kuna munhu loyi nga n'wi languta ni ku yo, I want to be like that person. I like answer time. Honestly speaking, answer time. And that's it in the only person loyi I feel like look atlanga.
Yeah.
Na soul ya mina ya pfukanyana is Black Coffee. Yeah. Cause I was checking his documentary the other time, ne? And I explained aloud and the reason why I couldn't randa ngopfu the way atlangisa swo randa ngopfu the way la huma ko. Yeah. Not really relate, but I understand the struggle. Yeah. I understand the struggle.
phela swa endleka mi kuma ku munhu utswariwe avakokwani khale kumbe va chaya tingoma kumbe swin'wana mara a nga swi tiva ni swo va ndzeni ka ngati xingomondata swi pelekile
Swingoma.
sweswo tani a nga na sweswo ndhavuko ku vutisa
No.
mchongolo boyi nyana
Hey, we're related na DJ Brad.
Steve avo malume mina sweswo loko va hlangana hi vo boti a ni Steve.
Oh, what's what?
A ni Steve.
Xikoma milenge.
hinkwaswo mnanga swi le ka rikhodzo
Yeah, I swa family sweswo. Mara I wouldn't say it's a family because ka hina ne. I think I'm the only one who stands out. Ni nga ka this music. Ka hina hinkwenu ni hlaya vanhu vana vatukulu va kokwani hinkwenu vo malume. Yeah.
Hi ndlela yin'wana hi leswo hi mina nyimpfu ya tima yako.
Oh. The black sheep.
Yeah. So
Kula nchekere ni camera le khale nga check.
ina gig guide.
Not now.
Kuna lang.
I never gig guide. Okay, the only time I have a gig guide is when I'm very busy.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's not busy, Sham.
Karunga mi sendela yona.
Ntamsendela. Mila ku bona ne?
Ya ta mono
I'm
ke.
the correct. Oh, mila bala.
just imagine wona ke lo 1 2 3
Meta ichavisa se tanga te hanci.
Uyi ma music.
kinga se ta vala ku ani hi kwenda ku loko when you are done
Urama ya kwi.
No, meta itlangisa te hanci vo mina.
so loko
Meta
u nga ri ka
ichavisa.
IT u nga ri ka swa music u nga ri n'wana what keeps you busy
I sleep.
wa
I
gossipa,
sleep. I sleep. Yo.
u kuma ku hi nkarhi wa ku compile if you then sleeping or loko u pfuka wena nampundzu u ri na gig you just go there u ta swi vona
No. So, if free time ya mina, yes, I fix my playlist. So So USB ya mina sweswi leyi ni nga na yona yi na tingoma hinkwato.
u nga yi tlangela laha ka laptop a ni u sungule ku tlanga laptop wena
swi fila hi nga ku ni tlhelela ndzhaku loko se ni tlanga hi laptop.
a mi fanele ku compromise hi ku ya ndhawu na
Yeah, kona. I feel like se level ya mina yi le ka stage xa ku I can never play a laptop. Yeah.
titwa njhani kumbe u rhambiwe endhawini u kuma ku ku na ndhawu yin'wana yi tsutsumela
Yo, guys.
ku na munhu wo i ownara i rhandza swilo swa yona yi fika laha
WhatsApp mood
ya
yeah how do you handle such
Okay, not the owner, mara va koho vanhu lava endlaka sweswo ni. Ntlangeni a Tembisa, I won't say the name, ne? There's a place at Tembisa, hi le ka Gaza.
yeah
Mina a ni tlangiswa ka Gaza. I hardly play Xitsonga, ne? So laha a ta va ku hey, kombela Ben Mayengani kwalani.
le ka Gaza la
Yeah. And I'm like, Ben ani hava, ne? And abatwisisi vanhu lava abatwisisi, they'll keep coming back ku inteni kombela Ben Mayengani. And then loko i nga tlangi va ku hey mama swi va the way
so
but
u endlo so huteliwa question leyi nkutsini ku tshama u hlangana na xiyimo xo
no
hayi ni nga n'wi vula a
Hayi,
va hoteli
leswa-
xiyimo
a ku ri is that you defending me? Yeah, leswa a ku ri xiyimo xa ku
yeah
okay loko ku ri ni tlanga bad and then vanhu va ku hi leswi a wu vula swo we a swa sweswi a ku ri ku va lava tinghoma of which i genre yin'wana ya ku I mean a ni tlangi yona mina.
swi humelele na Casper phela leyi ebuluveli
Really?
ebuluveli
A ni wani phela.
titomba wena
lathini na
I'm lost
mina xivutiso xo hetelela ne I think mi swi vitana yini rate card or how do you rate
or rana
hi swi tiva ku ha ku rhamba ha ku vulavulela kun'wani
or loko ni na xibedeni xa mina na mina cheka nyana
Ni fanekele ni vula amount.
kumbe xana u between baby shower
So mina ku charge ka mina ne the rates ta mina ti ya hi ku ni tlanga kwini. So if ni tlanga Cubana I cannot say 3.5. It's more than 10.
wa langutisa
kumbe xana
Yeah.
hi ku a nga vuli timali leti ku competition yi high
And besides, I feel like it's confidential for me to If you want me
mali ya
to
makeup kahle kahle
make up what do right? Yeah, what do?
ni vutisa
or
question
ya
leyi
transport
ya transport transport ku na mugayi
question leyi suka from ni to vulavula na hi vo waffles there was a time waffles a humesa ti rates ta yena
Okay,
and that
yeah,
was the same time she was I think I could make gig somewhere at a residential or whatever she was abroad that rate card yi endle ku ri ku va na trend nyana around that
Really?
and it was swin'wanyana swi endliwa as in like you are
they were against it
yeah, I want PR, there's no bad PR in the media. So I think Sumaya a booster and stuff like that.
Yeah.
People wanted to know who's this one who's requesting for dollars.
Yeah, who's this one?
Yeah.
No, but mina when I'm
wakela mali ya
local,
bangi nkulu or ti dollar
local, na ke bangi nkulu ta ku mara swi ya ku ni tlanga kwini. Your big festivals or these top places, that's where I charge because I mean, why not? Mara loko ni ri local, then it's below 10.
I think the black coffee
Yeah.
is not that
It's not that expensive.
then Andre is something
Yeah, so I'm like that.
that one na here for my birthday get ready guys
Pow, pow, pow,
mesa lo a nga ha ri ku nweni mati dan'wini hi xitiro so u le lwana
no Zanele we wish you the best on your upcoming EP
Thank you.
we
And
wish
more
that
gigs.
more gigs
Yeah.
every week.
Thank you.
We wish that you go abroad and explore the other side of things. We can thank you for this was amazing. I actually enjoyed today's episode.
Yeah, I mean, I'm loko se like 1
Say
hour.
like 1 hour.
It's an hour.
Yeah.
Really?
2 minutes exactly.
Aibo.
manje antlelangi so boa mi enjoy
ta vela ku vona le a debut
Mr.
na xipangameli wa la mahlweni
Miss Jane, where van navela kun van late
And
date.
yeah. The 25, 26, 27 because that opening is not 25, but everything will be up until the 27. Even though the 27 birthday Kagash.
Yeah.
Oh
celebration
yes,
Saturday,
yeah.
there will still be
Awu
something going on.
kona ka birthday?
Nikona, I'm actually the only female teacher. Tanan, Shell. Tanan.
Very four.
Hinkwenu, very fine.
mina na ta membe a nga la ku ya le na siku leriya loko ka episode leyi hetelela loko hi vulavula na Bramus a nga la ku ya se ni ta tisa hi Zeededj.
Xisa xa mina.
Ali.
Oh.
Ali, we are the 27. Otavar.
No, similar to 24.
The
25. Yes. Yeah.
26, 27. Otakumeka ari the Juda.
Apitori.
Shinganga akumeka ari Apitori. Ngunyiki permission yo kunwanyana.
Kun'wanyana.
And then the 27 tava hi ri na yena tava hi ku gadini hina
Eka ngati.
Ku gada kunene.